Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to make a file caricature using ChatGPT. First, just go to the main menu and then go to images and then just choose this style, this caricature trend, this one. And then next, just choose your photo. You can choose it from your gallery or you can also take a selfie directly from your camera. In here I want to choose photo from my gallery and then just upload it, tap and down and just wait for the process. And okay, like this, I think it's so cute. The result is so cute like this. And okay, just try it. And okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.